express your views on reservation.
Okay.
Yeah, I answer.
Okay, you want me to express my views on reservation?
Yes.
Right, that's a good topic. Reservation. First of all, you must know the basics of reservation, right? Reservation means when you go to any hotel, then when you reserve a seat, it means you only can sit there, right? The basic definition of reservation. And when it comes to the jobs, then you already know that, right? Because there are categories, because the society unfortunately had been divided into the caste system, categories, right? So in which we people got general caste, then OBC, then SC ST. Then obviously because of the discrimination in the past by our forefathers or ancestors, this reservation took birth. Something called reservation took birth. In India, it is by the name of caste. In the foreign countries, it is by the name of race. The people are racist there, right? Because they discriminate the people by the name of color, complexion, right? In India, that fortunately that is good that people do not actually discriminate by the name of color, because in India obviously the dark color is more prevalent,
Yeah.
right? So obviously even if people want, they cannot discriminate. But in India, unfortunately, certain something took birth, something called casteism. Caste took birth, okay, and people actually got their surnames by the name of caste, and those surnames were given by the name of their task. So the people's task in the past which they did, the many people did certain task in the past that became their caste, right? So that's how the casteism took place. And there is nothing wrong in doing the low labor job and the job of low category, because no job is low or high. And certain high people said this. Certain high, the people of high category said this. No job is low. No job is high, right? Job is job. Okay. But because of their low caste, because of the low task, people actually categorized them by the name of caste. Okay. After that, the people of general category started humiliating the other people because of the caste. Everybody knows that, right? So later on, just because people went through a great humiliation, then they wanted some or a kind of a conciliation. Because otherwise, what was the benefit to live in this country? Then, like by the name of religion, people got Pakistan. उसी प्रकार से, let's say if these people had not been given conciliation, then these people also could have demanded for Dalitistan. So no wonder if there had been any Dalitistan, okay, if there had been any fight by the name of other nation, if these people do not get the respect, if these people do not get their rights, then obviously because of the humiliation they would get. Even same was the case with the Muslims, when they thought in the past that there is a discrimination, right? Same is the case with Hindus, just majority makes a difference, right? But by the name of caste or religion, the discrimination is definitely there. It is for sure. Everybody knows that. So similarly, when Pakistan took birth, any other nation could have been there. India could have been divided. Everybody knows in Amritsar about Operation Blue Star. By the name of religion, it was going to be divided. But because Indira Gandhi, our honorable Prime Minister, who was assassinated, she intervened. And because of that intervention, she was assassinated. Everybody knows that, right? So that is why our honorable Mr. Bhimrao Ambedkar actually gave this right to the people of SC ST caste, that they would get reservation, they would get some conciliation, right? So that's how at least something was there that could hush them up. So that's how they were hushed up, कि उन्होंने सोचा कि at least country is doing something for us, we are getting something. So the reservation was there to uplift these people, because if they would be economically strong, right, then people may start valuing them because it matters. I know not 100% because it's still there. Let's say somebody becomes great, CM is there, right, Mayawati, okay, but many people still call her by her surname, derogatory, right, in a condescending tone. मुझे बोलने में भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ये कि हाउ डू दे कॉल, सीएम है बट सीएम नहीं है, ये है वो कास्ट का नाम लेके. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड और यू कैन रीड बिटवीन द लाइन्स व्हाट आई मीन टू से, राइट. So that is the case. Even if a person goes high, people do not lose any chance to derogate the person, to humiliate the person. But at least if a person, जब यानी कि लोग हाई फाई लोगों को नहीं छोड़ते तो लो कैटेगरी के लोगों को कैसे छोड़ देंगे? The people who are economically well, यानी उनके पास पावर भी नहीं है. अरे पावरफुल आदमी को तो छोड़ते नहीं है. तो सोचो द पर्सन हु डजंट हैव पावर, उसका क्या हाल करेंगे ये लोग? By the name of caste, right? So casteism, religion is something which does not mean anything. Irrationality is there. No logic is there behind it. किसने बनाया, किसने पैदा किया, करके किस बेस पे वो करके उसको मर गया, मरने के बाद भी उसके वो तो चला गया करके, सही गलत, nobody knows that. But people are ready to fight for that. And people are just getting divided for something which is nothing. If you delve into it, अगर आप इसको deeply search करो, जांचो, परखो, then you will get to know the truth. But who has time for that? People are ready to get into it. People are ready to humiliate others. बहाना चाहिए ना दूसरे की कमी निकालने का, derogate करने का. So that is why reservation took place. Is it good or bad? I must say it is absolutely bad. When did I say it is good? But the reason behind that is genuine. Reason behind that, example देना चाहूंगा. ठीक है, किसी को कैंसर हो गया, good or bad?
Bad.
Who says it is good? Nobody. But when I say, because he bloody used to drink a hell lot of alcohol, he used to chew tobacco a lot, नाश्ते में भी, खाने में भी, रात के डिनर में भी. So obviously it is bound to happen.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर क्या हुआ? जो होना था वही हुआ. बुरा क्या हुआ? बुरा क्या हुआ? कहेगो ना फिर तो आप यही तो कहोगे मरना ही तो था उसे, तो मर गया वो बस. क्या हुआ? जो होना था. तो you know when I talk about reservation, what had to happen happened, right? Now good or bad? Obviously bad. But if you sow the seed of bad, obviously it will result in bad. अगर आप बुरा करोगे, है ना, एज यू सो शैल यू रीप. तो ये हमारे एंसेस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने कभी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इरेशनलिटी, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो लॉजिक, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इरेशनलिटी दे ह्यूमिलिएटेड पीपल. So that resulted in reservation. So it's up to you. If I ask you, do you want a different nation like Pakistan, or do you want reservation in the country, within the country? Which one would you choose? Reservation, right? So he has chosen reservation because people do not see the flip side of the coin.
Yeah.
कोई ना उनको दूसरा नहीं पता ना कि अगर if reservation hadn't been there, then what could have been there? People are not aware of that. Then there would have been Dalitistan. If you are ready to accept that, then you can curse reservation. Otherwise, don't curse reservation. Rather, reservation is the protection from a different nation. It is a protection,
Yes.
right? But many people take it otherwise. That's a different case. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Although there is a lot to say about it, but if somebody has a question, can raise confusion about it.
Not related to this, but another topic.
You have another topic. No, about this. First, please talk about reservation. Does somebody have a question out of this context?
So,
Not
because of reservation, people are not able to get the job. Means they are not.
Because of reservation, people are able to get the jobs. What are you talking?
Means they are not most intelligent, but even they get job because of reservation.
So are you feeling sad for them?
Yes, sir. Because they are not intelligent. But even then they get
No,
job.
you cannot say they are absolutely duffer, because even if they get reservation, there is a criteria they have to crack.
So it happened in Bihar, UP
Hmm.
2.0. So in that what we called?
Vacancy.
Yeah, vacancy.
Huh.
General category are
I got it. If you are, because you are going to compare, because
Yes,
let's say general category got 120.
so because nowadays ST, OBC, ST, general, every categories student are studying with each other. Then
then?
means they are allowed to go and higher schools. Means everything is same for every student. Even then they get reservation.
That is your misconception. You are saying that now there is no humiliation, because आपने just ये कहा कि
Yes sir.
because they study together,
Yes, sir.
they go to school,
Yeah.
and there is no discrimination.
Yes sir.
है ना? This right, they have got this right to study together because of the constitution,
Yeah.
because of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Otherwise they did not have this right. So if you see the people's mentality, people didn't want to accept them, but now they have to accept, because it's a crime now, because of constitution. It's a crime. That's why the people have the fear of that.
So
Getting?
even though
But if you see the mentality is still not the same. And कई चीजें ऐसी होती हैं, they are subtle, मतलब होती हैं पर दिखती नहीं है. Okay, in the mentality what is hidden, you never know that. हाँ, differences are there, क्योंकि अब इतना नहीं रहा. जो घृणा है, hatred है, humiliation है, it has been mitigated. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. It has been mitigated, but it has not been eradicated.
yeah.
Eradication कब मानेंगे आप, पता है? कोई यहाँ पे बताएगा eradication कब मानोगे आप?
Yeah, so like when all the people
हाँ,
will not have the like such kind
नहीं.
of like
नहीं,
so,
ये आपका गलत भी नहीं है, बट इरेडिकेशन कब मानोगे? इरेडिकेशन तब है जब when people start getting married in the other caste,
yeah.
which will not be possible. अभी मैं तुमसे ही कहूँ ना, पूछ के देखूँ. हाँ, which caste do you belong to? And if I ask you that would you be ready to get married in so and so caste, your face would be absolutely paled. It would be dull. You would be thinking. You would be pensive about that. आपके मन में एकदम से घृणा आने लग जाएगी अभी कि हाँ करूंगी या नहीं मैं. You would start thinking of that. तो फिर कहाँ है ये humiliation नहीं है क्या? Right? So this humiliation has been mitigated, not eradicated. और दूसरे कई बार लोग कहते हैं कि शहरों में in the cities there is no humiliation. It is there, but it is not actually clear. It is hidden. Hidden है ये, eradicated नहीं है ये. हाँ, अब इतना हो गया है, people sit together, क्योंकि उन पे कोई choice नहीं है. क्योंकि बताऊँ क्या बेटा, if you get a job in any MNC, suppose you are that kind of irrational person, orthodox, and suppose a person of low caste is sitting near you, and if you say, hey, don't sit close to me, then company will terminate you, right? So you have a fear of losing the job. Company will favor that person,
Yeah.
not you. Okay, so you have to bear. हाँ, आप इतना कर सकती हो कि hey, don't share food with me. ये तुम्हारा राइट हो सकता है वहां पे, but you cannot say hey, don't sit with me, right? Then company will terminate you. So this is the constitutional right of a person. Then the people have to bear it now. अब क्या है, लोगों को वो झेलना पड़ रहा है. ठीक है, it has not been eradicated, mitigated हुआ है, कम हुआ है ये, है ना. हाँ, आज भी बहुत लोग हैं, they are getting married in the different caste, and आज भी बहुत लोग हैं, they are not ready to get married in the different caste. They still have the hatred they have by the name of caste, and several times by the name of religion. जो साफ दिखाई देती है, साफ दिखाई देती है. अभी तुम्हें पता है, एक केस मैंने सुना था, मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लूंगा. One person was telling me from SC ST caste, he was telling me कि in my relation amongst my relatives there is a lady. She plays very good dholak. She sings very good songs, devotional songs. She used to sing, right? People did not know about her caste. By the time people knew nothing about the caste, she used to sing, play dholak. One day, people got to know about the caste. Do you know? Then she was not allowed. Then what the hell is this? Don't you see? यहाँ देखकर भी अनदेखा कर देते हैं कई बार, यहाँ खुद ही कर रहे होते हैं इन कामों को. You do not see that. You have no knowledge of that. It is still prevalent. कम भले ही हो गया है. कम इसलिए है, generation after generation mentality will develop, rationality will raise up, it will arise. Rationality, people will start getting the logic. Okay, then I know so many changes will be there. तो ये humiliation है ना. और ऐसी बात नहीं है, जब ये prevalent था पास्ट में, बहुत ज़्यादा था, तब भी कुछ लोग तो वैसे होते हैं ना, who do not follow it, they don't mind it. तो ये तो पहले भी थे, हैं और आगे रहेंगे. But the number of such people will decrease because I know the new generation has rationality. Thankfully I was born with this rationality. बचपन में कभी मैंने भी humiliation किया तो होगा, मैंने कभी humiliation किया तो होगा, but by that time I was not mature and I accept it was my stupidity. But thankfully I had the rational mind or brain. I applied, got to know the reality. इसी को छोड़ो, वो तो even today आप लोग ना जाने किन किन चीज़ों में फंसे हुए हो, और मुझे उनसे कोई मतलब नहीं है. हालांकि फंसे हो तो फंसे रहो. If somebody wants to come out, I can lend you my hand. If somebody wants to come out, if a person wants to get stuck, or if a person wants to remain stuck, then why the hell would I lend my hand? हाँ, because it doesn't, I mean, I am indifferent to it. मुझे क्या मतलब है उससे, right? इंग्लिश का केस है ना, कोई सीखना चाहेगा उसी को तो सिखाऊंगा मैं सड़क पे कितने लोग घूम रहे हैं, है ना, जो नहीं सीखना चाहते, तो why would I lecture them कि सीख लो आपका भला हो जाएगा. So the person who wants to come out, I can help. Right? This is the case. In this context, any other question? Still, if you have any doubt in the same context, you can raise it.
No.
And out of my answer, if somebody has any contradiction, can make it, can negate. If somebody has any contradiction, कि if somebody thinks no sir you are wrong or like that, किसी भी बात को सिर्फ इसलिए मत मानना कि मैं कह रहा हूं. बात सही है तो मानो, नहीं है अपोज करो. इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, हाँ प्रूफ चाहिए. लेट से कि सर कहाँ हुआ ऐसा, किसके साथ हुआ भी कि नहीं हुआ, ऐसा है भी है या नहीं. अच्छा प्रूफ चाहिए तो समय देना पड़ता है, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. अलग से मेरे साथ चलो, समय निकालो, आई विल शो यू द प्रूफ. अगर मैं बेसलेस बात कर रहा हूं तो आई विल अपोलोजाइज टू यू.